Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the cake puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Akaki Kuumeri and it is a part of Akaki's Picnic Basket series. Difficulty level of the cake puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the objective of the puzzle is to remove all 3 pieces from the basket. This is a 3D printed puzzle, and as I mentioned, it is a part of Akaki's Picnic Basket series. There are more than 10 different puzzles in this series, and all of them have completely different solutions, even though they look very similar since the basket is exactly the same in each and every puzzle from the series, but the inner pieces are completely different and they have different colors. The cake puzzle is one of the easiest, but it is still quite a tricky puzzle and it will take you some time to figure out the solution. Since this puzzle comes already assembled, the objective here is to remove the pieces first and then figure out the way how to put them back inside the frame. If you like how the cake puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the cake puzzle. So first of all, flip it upside down so that you can remove both pieces that you can see on top. Now grab the larger piece, move it to the left, and then grab the second piece and move it to the right, up, to the right and up, and remove it. As you can see, the shape of this piece is quite complicated. Next step is quite interesting, since if you move this piece to the left, you won't be able to remove it. If you move it back to the right, you still can't remove it, since this puzzle requires rotation. When the piece is right here, rotate it 90 degrees like so, and then you can easily remove it from the frame. And then we can see the last piece that is hidden inside. We didn't see it before since it was covered by 2 other pieces. You can lift it up, but again, you can't remove it unless you do a rotation. And that's how you remove all 3 pieces from the frame. If you want to see how they were inside the frame, they were assembled like so. Now to put everything back inside, we start with this piece, put it like so, rotate, and put it all the way down. Next piece will be this one, the largest piece. Put it inside the frame this way, then rotate it 90 degrees and move to the left. And the last piece will be this interesting looking piece. Put it inside like so, to the left, down, to the left, and down again. And now you can move this large piece to the right and the puzzle is solved both ways. That was the solution of the cake puzzle from Akaki's Picnic Basket series. If you like this puzzle and you want to try all other puzzles from Akaki's Picnic Basket series, you can buy them at puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.